Okay. Hello, friends. I am excited to welcome you to book club. Our book club, our first book club, will be reading The One and Only Ivan. It's a very great book. It looks like a very long book and a very scary big book, but it's not. The chapters are short and you'll read it fast. I know you will. So I'm here to talk to you today about the expectations for our book club. You're going to be bringing home a book club agreement, which looks like this. And you're going to be bringing home the book, and you're going to be bringing home a packet of questions and activities that you will be doing to start the story. Okay? Today, I want to talk to you about the agreement. Okay? So, when you're at home, you can follow along with me. You can take out this agreement and you can take out something to write with. So I'm going to read you what it says. There's two sections. The first section says independent work at home, and the second section says group discussion at school. So you are agreeing to these expectations as a member of the book club. So here's what they say. The first one says, I will read the assigned chapters by myself. So if you agree to doing that, you're going to put your initials, which is the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name. So my initials are SJ for Sarah Jablonski. I'm going to put my initials on that line, SJ. You're going to put your initials on that line. The next one says, I will not read ahead. So this means this is one of the hardest ones. Your book club will be reading the book together, and you'll be having discussions. And if some people are reading ahead, they might want to say things during a discussion that other people have not read about yet. And that makes it a little less fun. So I'm asking you to promise to not read ahead. I'm going to put my initials right there. You can do the same thing. The next one says, I will do my best work to complete the questions and activities in the packet. Try not to rush through it. Really think about things. Do your best work because you're going to use your answers that you put in the packet during your discussions. So it's your way to prepare your brain for the discussion you're going to have with your group. So I'm going to put my initials there. The next one says, I will put the packet back in my red folder when I am done, so I have it at school when I need it. That's a really important one because you might not know necessarily when I'm going to give you time in class to meet with the book club. So it's important that you always put that packet back in your red folder so it's always there. And you always have it when you're at school and you always have it when you're at home. So put your initials on that line. The next one says, I will share my thinking. So now we're down in the second part, the group discussion at school part. I will share my thinking with the group. My voice counts. This is important. Everyone in the book club needs to participate. We want to hear from every single person. So you need to come prepared to share your thoughts and share your questions and share your opinions and things you liked and things you didn't. All of those things we want you to share. So put your initials next to that. The next one says, I will listen silently when someone else is speaking. This is the other really hard one. When it's not my turn to talk, I have to be quiet and I have to listen until that person is done. If we have people interrupting each other and talking over each other, that's going to make it not as fun because when it's my turn, I want to be heard and I want to share my thoughts. And then when I'm done, someone else can share. So we are silently listening to our friends. Put your initials there. The last one says, I will stay on topic during the group discussion. So when it's book club discussion time, that means that it's time to talk about the book and nothing else. Put your initials there. Finally, at the bottom, you're going to sign your whole name, first name and last name, and you're going to put the date. 10/9/20. is the date. So you fill that out. This is going to come back to school. You're going to turn this in to me. And then you're ready to check out your assignment in Otis, and you're ready to start reading and start working in your packet. I hope you love the book. I hope you love book club. See you guys later.